In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add or edit reason codes for your group. Once you're logged into ConexED, come to Campus Calibrate and the appropriate group. You will then go to the Reason Codes tab. Now to add a reason code. I can do that. Here I'm going to see all of the existing reason codes available for my group. But if I need to add another reason code, I simply select Add Reason Code in blue. And here we have reason code categories, pre-populated and created reason codes that are available. These are managed by your department director or ConexED administrators. I can select a category and a reason code. It's going to show from this drop-down menu any reason codes that are not currently added or assigned to this group. So I can quickly see what's available and explore major options. Now I can't make any changes to the reason code or the description. Those are created again at the department director or ConexED administrator role, but I can come and customize or tailor the reason code to meet the needs of my team. Duration, length of that appointment. It's going to show a default. Here, explore major options. We'll just set that duration. Now, multiple groups can be using the same reason code, but it is specific to that group. So any changes or customization I make is specific to the group that I'm adding the reason code to. We do have an end of meeting buffer option. End of meeting buffer is a span of time and it's reason code specific. So if someone has scheduled an appointment, for example, for this explore major options, it's 30 minutes, but I'd like a 15-minute buffer. It's going to block the counselor's time for 45 minutes, 30 minutes for that appointment, 15 minutes for the buffer, and it gives me a little bit of a break. Maybe that appointment may run over a few minutes, or I need to make sure that I have enough time to prepare for that next appointment. I can do that by creating an end of meeting buffer. And again, it's reason code specific. So if you'd like to use it for those longer appointment windows and not for the shorter ones, you can certainly, again, tailor it based on the needs of your team. Here, show for this role and above. Do I want to make this reason code available for students to see and select when scheduling an appointment? Do I want only front desk agents to see and schedule? You can do that by selecting that default. So it's going to be a permissions-based here. So front desk agent, anyone assigned to my group as a front desk agent role or above would be able to see and select that reason code as an option, or student, so students can see. Now, show on appointment scheduler. Do I want this to be available, an option to be selected when scheduling an appointment? Show. And then show in cafe meeting or hide. Do I want my counselors, advisors to be able to see this reason code and select it? Again, more tracking and reporting purposes. I can, or I can hide. We do have a mental health reason code. It is a flag indicator. You can choose or determine if it is a mental health reason code. And here you can add this reason code to all currently defined office hours. So if you're adding this reason code, office hours have been created, but you know that you want this reason code to also apply to existing office hours, simply select this option and add. Okay, so that's really easy. You can add, customize reason codes. Now, if you need to make a change or remove reason codes from a group, you can do that by selecting Edit, and I can remove here. Or if it's a reason code that you need to hide, it's something that you use, it's a seasonal reason code. You use it just a few times during the year, you can simply hide. And I would recommend hide if you're going to use it again. So hide here on appointment scheduler. It's not going to be an option to be selected when scheduling an appointment. It's hidden from those users. You can also hide from show and cafe meetings, so your counselors and advisors cannot select that when tracking those appointments. So you can really hide it. It's still added and available to your group. You can come back at the appropriate time when you're ready to use it again, and then just simply change to show and save. Here for edit, you can also make changes to duration, end of meeting survey, role. Anything can be edited at any time and is reflected in real time, or again, you can simply remove.